TT on 2, turn on 2 live. Just up the Dutch with a 3-5. I'm in my bag now. They copping the swag now. I'm TT on 2, turn on 2 live. Just up the Dutch with a 3-5. I'm in my bag now. They copping the swag now. I'm TT on 2, turn on 2 live. Just up the Dutch with a 3-5. I'm in my bag now. They copping the swag now. Used to be bro, that's the pad now. Run ups on M, that's the plan now. Walk in the spot and I stand down.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Sullyman Vlogs. I'm back in the flesh, and today I got a good video for you guys. Got a couple announcements that I want to make. I'll be talking about some things that I'll be going to, great events. Can't wait to get the summer started though. I got a lot of big plans, so you guys just look out. So guys, first big announcement, we made it to 2,000 subscribers, man. Can y'all believe that? I really appreciate each and every one of you guys though. Y'all have been so loyal to me. My supporters have been great. Y'all just keep on liking, keep commenting, keep sharing my videos. I appreciate you guys. All right guys, so getting into one thing we definitely need to talk about. I've been looking over my channel lately, and you guys always know I bring that fire content for you guys. But at the same time, I hadn't really been bringing content about my own car, the Mustang GT. You know, I haven't been bringing that content the way I want to. The thing I definitely got to get done to the car is I want to wrap it. I don't know what color I want to go with yet, but probably won't get done right now anyway because, you know, it's kind of cold outside. Want it to stick well and stuff, so that's to come, maybe this summer. Another thing, guys, y'all need to go subscribe to my boy 901 Trey right now. He's got the video on his channel from where we installed the new wheels. I only got the backs on right now. Let's reveal it for whoever hadn't seen it yet. Let me go around. Car is dirty right now, but I'm about to install some stuff, get some work done, so not cleaning it right now, but it will get clean. But look at that, that's stock. That's the new wheel. Wheels came off a GT500. It's the SVT wheel. So y'all just looking at my car from right here, what color do y'all think I should do my car? Everybody is telling me I need to go black, but I want to do something crazy. Like when I wrap it, I definitely want to go with a crazy color, because you know you can take wraps off, switch it around after so long, but I just want to do something that's going to stand out on it. And of course I'm not getting rid of my blue. That Rapper blue is like a real legendary color, so that blue is not coming off. I gotta wrap the car because I want to keep my original color under there, so it's not getting painted. So right now I gotta find a tire for the front, guys, because the front wheels right now, it's got one side that's shredded. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that handled, then I get the fronts on. But right now this back is giving me real good grip. It's got the Nitto on there. They're pretty dirty. I haven't washed them since I installed them yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Yeah guys, so that's the Nitto NT555. It's a pretty good tire. See the tread on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that handle with the tires and all that stuff, guys. Y'all see I got the fog lights done. I did that myself at home. Did them blue. It's gonna look real good when I get done with it though, guys. Y'all just gotta trust this process. I gotta get the car lowered. Thinking about doing like a 2-inch drop maybe 1.5, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna drop the car. I think it's gonna look real good. Let me go in here, guys. I got something funny I can show y'all. So I got this. Got my little model car in there. Found that not long ago. It's the exact same car, just without the stripes. Yeah, so that's the inside for everybody that hadn't seen it. Yeah, nice ride though. Really hadn't had any problems out of it yet since I had it. Had it for 4 years now. It's the strong Ford tough game for you. All right, guys, and on to some more stuff I know y'all want to hear about. I am going to Demonology and Donkmaster's event March the 7th in Ennis, Texas. So anybody that wants to meet me there, go on ahead, come out. It's going to be a great event. Shout out to Demonology. Shout out to Donkmaster. I know it's going to be a good one. It's a racing and car show event. They bringing out everything. It's going to be a lot of YouTubers out there. So y'all come on out and have fun at that. I do plan to put the Mustang out there on the track, guys. I'm going to have a little fun. So any YouTubers out there that may want to race me or go on ahead and call me out now, do it. I mean, it's fine with me. It's all fun. Me and my guys out here in Arkansas, man, we've been doing this stuff for a while, the racing and all that. You know, it's nothing. So another thing, guys, I should have my crew with me from Arkansas, you know, the whole Stang gang. And some of you guys probably already know that my uncle has the Shelby GT500 Mustang, all black. It's real nice. Got a couple things done, but he'll probably have to put the slick on if he was to come down there with me. So we're gonna try to get him to come on out. Just know that I will be there for sure, getting it in. We're gonna have a great time. Like I said, shout out to Demonology. All of my subscribers, if y'all see this, go on ahead, comment under this video. If you know anybody that you think I should race down there, maybe in the Texas area. But anybody that's a great race, like I said, I'll just see about lining up with them. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get some things handled while we got this good weather. March 7th, Ennis, Texas. I will be out there. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Put my Arkansas flavor down there on the track, so you guys look out for that. All right, guys, peace out.
Sully Man Vlogs making movies.